Hey there, welcome for another video. Today, instead of doing Daxos, I want to do, why can I not remember his name, but kitty cats. I should show Arbor, I believe it was. I'm gonna play with some kitty cats. I don't remember if I've edited to make it better, but let's see. I like cats. I got 2 cats. I like playing with this cat deck. And it's not an equipment cat deck. I'm not a huge fan of really equipment decks at all. I just think they're weird. Not weird. I don't know. They just don't seem fun. So let's see what we got. First up, Angels. Cats versus Angels. That is a good. I mean, that's good. That's good. I got 3. Yeah, let's go. Maybe I can pull something out quick. Let's be nice. Hello. So I should probably do this one first. Although this one's good too. I can do both on round 2 or 3. See, I don't think I got an Arcane Signet in almost any of my decks. So, guess we'll see. Okay, so great. I got 3 buffs. Arahbo. Arahbo. I hope I forgot they're all flying, dude. I got no reach in this deck. Rough, very rough. Oh yeah, and because he buffed other cats too, is so good. What can I pull out with 4? Ooh. Ooh. That's a great card. It has vigilance. Alright, so I could do... No, I can't. If I do this, I can't do this. I could be an a-ho. I could be mean. I don't have a lot of reach. That's no problem. But this is gonna be... I'd rather take that out. I'm gonna do both attackers because he can only block 1. He's not gonna block any of them. Weird. What is this? I could buff him up right now. That'd be huge. I can make more tokens. This is +2. This will make it +1. Let's do cats. Let's have more cats on the field in case I need to defend. He's got to block this one. Ain't no way he's taking 8 damage. Of course. Predictable. Man, the cats became weaker. Huh? Well, I got 5. I could do Dictate of Heliod. I wonder what he's gonna do. Gain 4 life, that's what. What could I do? That gives me a good bit of health. That'd be 5. Everything would get 5. I could. Oh yeah. I could get the cat out there. He would take 20 health though. Smart. Smart. But I healed too. Okay. I might just have to do the token one. Cause that's... I don't have have enough. Okay, he's gonna get 5 health out of that. But now it's tapped. Okay. So I need to do play smart because of this card right here. So I don't even know if it triggers, to be honest. I messed up. It is not the right card. So I will just negate you there. So crap, I messed up. Okay. I think I can win. Plus I got vigilance anyway. Oh! Oh! Crap. Okay, that's GG. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Game over, man. Dang it. And it's exile, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, that's it, bro. I got my butt whooped. Good game, bro. Yeah, there's nothing I can do next time. Bad kitties. Bad kitties. Nah, I'm just kidding. Kitties out there great. I just don't have anything to stop any good decks. These are mediocre made decks at best. Round 2 though. I know the cats can do it. You know, I haven't fought this man in so long, and all of a sudden, most of the games I've been playing with him, he comes up. Okay, it's weird that I got these cards again. But I'll take it. Be nice. Hello. Yeah, he said hello back. I could do the cat enchantment next. Nice. Choose cats. I'm getting enough mana this time. Nice. Get some health out of it though. That's good. I will probably do this one next because of what gives me a token and I get to buff. I just get to buff him though. Well, I don't really get to buff anybody else. He's attacking. What? Dude, I have no idea. I feel like something's gonna happen. Nice. Well, it was bound to happen. At least I got some health out of it. And I should be able to destroy his blocker. Unless he tanks it like a boss. He's gonna tank it. Okay. Okay, I'm good on mana. So that's what that means. Okay. Okay, this is nice, I guess. Gives me health. So I believe I should be able to attack here with all 4 and be okay. He's just gonna take it, bro. Maybe he's got some kind of plan. He's about to destroy all my creatures again, bro. He's about to destroy them. He's only got 3 mana, never mind. Let's do it. He can't do anything with that just yet. No enchantments apart from my own. I'm not attacking you. So he needs to block or he loses, obviously. He's gonna have to sacrifice all his creatures. Well, not all. But it's an artifact. I should be able to win next game, next turn. I think he's gonna surrender. Come on, bro. Play it out, please. Oh, damn, I can't talk. I didn't let the guy in the first round. The person in the first round. Ended. I should have. I gotta stop surrendering so fast. Gotta let people enjoy their decks, you know? That's my B. Okay, that's good. That's good. But unless he does 42 some damage, he ain't gonna be doing much. What does double team do? Creature double team attacks if it's not a token, conjure a duplicate until your hand out. That's it. But it doesn't create a duplicate. I can't block that. I mean, cats like birds, but these cats can't fly. He really couldn't do anything else? Okay. We will see then. If he's gonna let me. Ooh, nice. Oh, he's gonna let me, dude? Please. Good game. Come on, bro. Please let me. Oh, this is great. This might make him surrender once he sees this. I just wanted to buff him. I'm sorry. Please don't surrender yet. Please don't surrender. I know. I'm sorry. Too many triggers. Too many triggers. Too many triggers. I'm so sorry. There we go. That's it. Look, I'm attacking. I'm attacking. That's it. That's all I wanted to do. Good game, bro. Look, this right here, what's his name? Sheepy, you're the best. I love you. You're a jolly balloon man yourself. Bless you, sir. Minus 22. That's pretty nice. 74 health. Not even a mainly healing deck, and I have this much health. Shout out again to Sheepy. He might never see this video, but he was a good sport. Gotta love kitty cats. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Maybe we can do another deck next time. Oh, look at me getting all this stuff. Cool. Don't know what that was. Didn't even read it. But see you next time. Thank you for watching.